Let's see if we could bring this back to life. You're just sick and tired of replacing old tires all the time because they're cracked, and you're just looking for something that's gonna plug them up. I want you guys to check out this product I just tried out from TireJect. They did not give this to me whatsoever. I went and bought it myself. I just did my research and this got some high ratings on it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on this tire right here. That's absolutely nasty, dry rotted tire. As you can see, it's off the beads off the rim and everything like that. Let's see if we can bring this thing back to life. With it comes this syringe so you know how many ounces you're gonna be putting in depending on the size of the tire. And it also comes with a little tool and little caps for you and also little valve stems for you as well. Make sure you shake it. All right, let's go ahead. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm sure I don't need that much, but I'm doing 2 tires. I'll get enough for 2 tires. Notch on there, and I'm gonna unscrew the valve stem. Let's go ahead and just take out that valve stem here. Ugh. Now you just screw that guy on there. Just shoot it on in. Pull that sucker out. Turn it around a little. Oh, I gotta put the valve stuff back in. Woo! All right, she's in there, so it's... Oh, it shot all over me. Normally you gotta see that? Starts to shoot out, it come out all the cracks over here. Look at it. All the holes. Oh, there's another one. Shot out already. Look at it, just all coming out of the cracks. Look at it. Just breaking out all the cracks over here. See that? That hole right there? Took care of that one. All right, let's do this one. The bead's not broken on this one. Tire shops hate this stuff, but I could really care less. All right, let's give it a little bit of air. See where it pops out at. You see it's on the bead right there. Gonna put about 40 pounds in there. Ah, you see that where it's coming out now? Seals it. See that? Seals it right up. And I gotta tell you what, it's done worlds of wonders for me not having to buy more tires, especially on my son's 4-wheeler and just random things on the farm that I just don't feel like buying a new tire for because I'm too cheap. This is TireJect. And I ran a test on it. It worked out really good. I bought it by the gallon here because it depends how much you put inside a tire.